I'm Erik the Travel Guide. Today we're learning everything you need to know about Little Rock, Arkansas before your next vacation here.
A capital city along the beautiful Arkansas River, Little Rock is the largest city in Arkansas, but you never feel overwhelmed exploring downtown, which you can enjoy on foot, by bike, or even hop on a trolley. Folks from across the country flock here year-round to celebrate Little Rock's natural beauty, learn about its deep American history, and get presidential at the William J. Clinton Presidential Center. Mix in some of the best shopping, dining, and entertainment in the state, and you'll find a city that has it all. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to get started.
Here's something you may not know. Little Rock was actually named after Little Rock. This is just a piece of it, and it's here at Riverfront Park. In 1722, French explorer Jean-Baptiste Bernard de la Harpe spotted a rock formation along the Arkansas River and dubbed the location La Petite Roche, which for our non-French speaking friends translates to Little Rock. Who knew? When they name the airport after you, it means you're kind of a big deal. And here in Little Rock, there is no bigger deal than former President William Jefferson Clinton. That's why we're making a stop here. Come on.
History buffs and Clinton fans alike come to Little Rock just to visit the William J. Clinton Presidential Center and Park, home to the Clinton Presidential Library and Museum. Guests can take a guided tour, explore temporary and permanent exhibits, and see photos and artifacts from the Clintons' many years of public service. In addition to the library, the park also includes the offices of the Clinton Foundation and the University of Arkansas Clinton School of Public Service.
Oh, hi. You know, it occurred to me you're going to need a place to stay, and you may be surprised to learn that there's about 10,000 hotel rooms here. My suggestion, the Capitol Hotel.
Known as Little Rock's front porch, this luxurious downtown hotel has housed visitors to the Capitol for more than 140 years. Step inside this iconic, luxurious accommodation option conveniently situated in the heart of downtown. In addition to walking the beautiful lobbies and relaxing in a spacious guest room or suite, you'll also have to take in a meal here. Both dining options will knock your socks off.
I've always said, why shop at home when you can shop when you're on vacation? Don't worry, Little Rock's got you covered. From art to apparel to antiques, they've got it all.
Like most southern towns, Little Rock has a wide range of locally operated shops that have something for just about everyone. The downtown neighborhood is an excellent way to get started. The River Market is a bustling shopping and dining destination. More than 10,000 square feet of owner-operated shops and stalls selling all kinds of items. The Ottenheimer Market Hall has dozens of food stands to choose from, in addition to numerous venues to eat, play, and shop.
I have some really good news. Undoubtedly, all of this exploring has made you hungry. Well, here in Little Rock, you'll find more than 500 restaurants to choose from. This is Market Hall at River Market, and yeah, this looks amazing. So, cheers.
Whether you crave classic American favorites, farm-to-table breakfasts, fresh-made breads and sweets, flavors from around the world, or a locally sourced and crafted cocktail or ale, Little Rock will delight and satisfy.
Little Rock is steeped in history. That's why while you're here, you have to make a visit to the Central High School National Historic Site. It's a living civics lesson in the Civil Rights era.
In 1957, the Supreme Court ordered integration of all U.S. schools. Here at Central High, 9 African American students, known as the Little Rock Nine, were chosen to integrate to the school. The 9 were met by thousands of angry protesters who blocked their entrance to the school, and the National Guard was later called in to help the students safely attend classes. Their story is highlighted throughout the museum, and it's something that all visitors should experience to fully understand how brave those young men and women were. Truly the pride of Little Rock.
Oh, and here's a tip. Park ranger guided tours are given on weekdays, but you need to make a reservation at least 24 hours in advance. But trust me, it's worth it.
Now, you don't have to be a French explorer to discover all of the natural wonders Little Rock has to offer. A city nestled along the Arkansas River and near multiple lakes, outdoor enthusiasts are at ground zero for some of the most exciting recreational experiences around.
The Rock may be small, but the fun and surprises are huge. Notwithstanding my play on words, I had a blast exploring Little Rock, and I cannot wait to hear about your next adventure to this unforgettable city. I'm Erik the Travel Guide. That's what I got.